What's up, everybody? It's Outlaw Bowling 2. Shall I make this vid on my bike, do a little bike check thing. I'm a biker on a budget. I don't have freaking thousands of dollars to spend on my bike, so I get what I can when I can. Okay, so this bike used to be all originally a really old Redline. Got about 4 years back. You know, Redline frame, Redline 3-piece cranks, Redline seat post, seat clamp, and then the seat holder thing, seat rail, excuse me. You know, you got the seat, you got the Redline brake cables, brake lever, Redline forks, and the headset and all that mumbo jumbo in there. Okay, here, I'll just tell you that's not stuck on the bike. Let's see what we got. Got ODI long necks in green. Gotta love them. We got stolen bar ends right there in the gold. We got S&M bars, 28 wide, 8-inch rise. We got the stolen convict stem V3. We got the Black Label front rim hub spokes nipples. We got the Animal Hamilton pedals, the metal ones unsealed. So far they're doing all right. We got the Shadow Conspiracy seat, pretty nice looking. Got the embroidered shadow label kind of thing. And then we got the Black Label sprocket 25 tooth. We got the KMC chain in gold. We got the Black Label back rim spokes hub and cassette. The cassette is 9 tooth, I believe. But yeah, I think that's about it. And then I bike with Etnies, Aaron Ross shoes. I think these are one of Aaron Ross's shoes. Remember right there? See that right there? Green and blue. But overall got the green and gold theme on the bike. And got everything from Dan's Comp except for the Black Label stuff. I got that at my local bike shop. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, be free to just leave one below. You know, I'm not that big of a biker. I just started fooling around with biking, so I mean, you can tell me what you think and post comments and stuff, but that's my bike. Bike was originally $200, put about $250 into it now. So yeah, and that's my truck right there. Nissan hardtop. It is lowered 3 inches. Gotta do it. Okay, peace. Laters.